delving into the mysteries of airplane crashes. Aircraft have a 95.7% survivability rate for passengers involved in plane crashes. In most airplane crashes, passengers can survive due to advanced safety measures and protocols in place. The most common cause of airplane crashes is human error. Human error includes pilot mistakes, air traffic controller errors, and maintenance oversight. Lightning strikes airplanes more frequently than most people realize. Aircraft are designed to withstand lightning strikes, with their outer shell conducting electricity harmlessly away. Airplane crashes are serious, but most people survive, and safety measures continue to improve. Understanding airplane crashes is crucial for aviation safety and passenger well-being. We hope you enjoyed learning about airplane crashes and the factors that contribute to aviation safety.